fire breaks out in Conshohocken overnight. Fire crews were called to the scene just before 2:30 this morning on the 100 block of West 4th Avenue. When they arrived, they found fire and smoke coming from the top floor of a 3-story home. Everyone made it out safely and no injuries were reported. It took crews around 45 minutes to bring the fire under control. One family is displaced and the home sustained heavy damage. The cause of this fire is under investigation.